Hello everyone. In the previous stop sign video, I had attempted to cover all the situations, but after reading the comments, I realized that I could have included some more. So here are some more situations related to stop signs. In the previous video, I had talked about FIFO, which means first in, first out. However, I stand corrected. This rule does not apply in all the situations. Let's take a look at this. In an ideal situation, the FIFO rule would apply, which means yellow came first, red came second, and blue came third, so they cross the road in exactly the same order, which means yellow goes first, and then the red car, and then the blue car. Situation number 2. Now, there's a pedestrian crossing in front of the red car. Now, the blue car doesn't have to wait for the red car to pass. It has no obstacle in front of it, and it has already made the legal full stop. So, it can go before the red car, which means FIFO doesn't apply here. In such situations, you must use your own discretion and do what is safe and right. Now, let's analyze another situation. All cars arriving at the same time. In the previous video, I had mentioned that in such situations, one car should creep up slowly and go if the other cars allow it to. And then the car on its right gets to go first. A lot of people commented that it is not how it practically works, and I agree with them 100%. So, in this situation, you must look at the signals of the other cars and use your own discretion. Let's say this car wants to turn right and this car wants to go straight. Now, this car doesn't have to wait for the other cars. It can go at the same time with this car. All you want to know is that no two cars should be crossing each other's paths. If they are not, then they can move at the same time. Similarly, if two cars want to go straight, then they can go at the same time. If two cars want to turn left, then they can do that at the same time. Two cars turning right can do that at the same time too. What they cannot do is this.
Crossing left and going straight. Crossing right and going straight. Straight and straight. Now, let's analyze this situation. Two cars arrive at the same time. One car wants to go right and the other car wants to turn left. Now, in this case, I want you to imagine a green light situation. When it's a green light, who gets to go first? The cars going straight and the cars turning right have the right of way over the cars turning left. So in this situation, the car turning right will have the right of way, and then the car turning left follows it.
So that's that. Now, a question for you. Do you think people in your neighborhood obey the stop signs, or do they not care about them? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again.